This week on American Air Gunner.
We're gonna work low valleys, ravines, and the slide of the Rocky Mountain, rocky areas.
We follow Air Gunner Kayla Nevius and guide Marcel as they're on the hunt for an African Nyala bull.
We're gonna cut through this thick patch and hopefully get close enough to get a shot off.
Packing the Umarex Hammer 50 cal, find out how close they can stalk into this elusive animal.
What's up, guys? I'm Kayla Nevius, and I'm here in South Africa with American Air Gunner. Hunting in South Africa is an experience I never thought I'd be able to do with air guns. Never would have guessed either of those would happen, and here we are. Today I have the Umarex Hammer in 50 cal, and I'm going after Nyala.